Welcome back to Export Car, your go-to channel for rare and classic automotive legends. Today, we're diving into a true icon of American motoring history, the 1950 Hudson Hornet. This sleek machine wasn't just about looks, it was a performance beast in its era. With its low-slung design, step-down chassis, and powerful engine, the Hudson Hornet stood out as one of the most advanced and aggressive cars of the early 50s. It wasn't just a car, it was a game-changer that revolutionized automotive design and racing performance in post-war America. The Hudson Hornet came equipped with a 5.0-liter inline-six engine that delivered an impressive 145 horsepower in its stock version, but racers would often modify it to go well beyond that. It was this power, combined with its unique low center of gravity, that made it dominate the NASCAR tracks in the early 1950s. In fact, from 1951 to 1954, the Hornet won more races than any other car in NASCAR. Drivers like Marshall Teague helped make the Hornet a racing legend, earning it a reputation that still echoes in the halls of racing history. The car's unibody construction gave it strength and handling that other cars just couldn't match at the time. But the 1950 Hudson Hornet wasn't just about speed, it had style and comfort too. The interior was spacious and well-designed, featuring plush seats, chrome detailing, and a dashboard that felt ahead of its time. The exterior design, with its rounded body lines, distinctive grille, and flowing fenders, made it instantly recognizable. It looked powerful standing still, and even more impressive roaring down the highway. Hudson took great pride in craftsmanship, and every detail from the steering wheel to the tail lights reflected that commitment to quality. Today, the Hudson Hornet is a prized possession among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Its legacy was even immortalized in pop culture when the car inspired the character, Doc Hudson, in the animated film Cars. That recognition helped introduce a whole new generation to this American classic. Whether you're drawn to its racing pedigree, its elegant 1950s styling, or its role in automotive innovation, the Hudson Hornet remains a shining symbol of what made that era of motoring so special. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, take a moment to appreciate not just the car, but the bold spirit of engineering and competition it represents. Thanks for watching Export Car. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing rides from automotive history.